Hi students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our fourth chapter, that is the basic geometric concepts. In the previous video we have studied that what is the circle and the parts of the circles, and today also we are going to remain some parts are there. What are the remaining parts of the circle? Today we are going to discuss. So especially in the last day we have discussed about that what is the circle, what is the radius of the circle, diameter of the circle. Yes, yes. So we have to once again we have to remind about that what are the parts of the circle, like secant of the circle, arc of the circle, segments we will discuss in this video. It is very main parts of that circle. So let us see what is that secant of the circles. So friends, what do we mean by secant of the circle? Now when a line will drawn or a line joining the any 2 points of the circle, when a line joining any 2 points of the circle, that is called as a secant of a circle. Okay, मतलब any 2 points, if one segment if you do that, if you join, that is called as a क्या है बोलते हैं उसको, chord. Yes, any 2 points if you join, that is called as a chord, a line segment. But whenever any 2 points one line joining, that is called as a secant of a circle. So let us see students, first of all, what is the secant? The line intersecting the circle at the 2 points is called the secant of the circle. That means see, whenever that one line if you draw in the circle, on the circle, and it will intersect at the 2 points of the circle, then we can say it is a, what is that, secant of a circle. समझे क्या? मतलब जो लाइन सेगमेंट जो है और ये लाइन ही डिफरेंस क्या है? देखो, जब हमें पढ़े थे हमें जो चौड़ क्या होता ना, एनी 2 points if joint the line segment, this is chord. But when one line will come, it will extend like that, means when line will intersect this point 2 points, that is called as a secant. So the difference is only when that line and a line segment, the line will intersect the circle any 2 points, that is called as a secant of that circle. So this line MN is called a secant of the circle. Suppose I will draw another one line like this. Yes, suppose this is L. The L line will intersect at the 2 points on the circle. Yes, so that's why this L line is called as a secant of the circle. Okay, did you understand, students? Okay, once again I will read that. The line intersecting the circle at the 2 points, 2 point में जब intersect करेंगे वो लाइन सेगमेंट नहीं, लाइन को secant of the circle बोलते हैं. हमें मतलब ये लाइन को क्या बोलेंगे, हमें secant बोलते हैं. ठीक है, इन adjoining figure, ये जो फिगर दिया MN जो लाइन इज ए secant, इस MN लाइन इज ए secant. समझे क्या? मतलब जो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं सर्कल में 2 पॉइंट को, वो लाइन को secant बोलते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आर्क ऑफ ए सर्कल. ये जो सर्कल में आर्क कौन सा है ना, द पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल बिटवीन एनी 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन इट नोन एज आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल. सिंबलिकली इट कैन बी रिटन एज AXB. याद रखो बेटे, व्हाट इज दैट सर्कल, arc of the circle na, circle that whatever that circle, that one part, arc is one of the part, like one line is there, line segment is the one of the part of the line. Same like arc is the part of the circle. Circle कुछ थोड़ा part है. देखो, you can understand any 2 points if you join. Suppose this is one circle. See, and I have shaded that black ink with it from here to up to here. This is one part because total complete is a circle from A to B up to here. This is one part. ठीक है? So this part is called as arc. What you should say? Arc. From A to B or B to A. This is called as arc. Did you understand? A part of the circle. Once total circle, one part. Any 2 points if you join, any 2 points, if you will see that that is called as a क्या है arc. And how can we write? We can write like this. Suppose this is one point you keep x, so a x b and you have to keep like this. How like we are writing a b line symbolically like this. Same like arc we can write like this. Arc को तो नंबर लिखने के बाद ऊपर ऐसा सिंबलिकली दो, इसको बोलते हैं आर्क. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? आर्क मतलब क्या होता है वो ना द पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल बिटवीन एनी टू पॉइंट्स ऑन इट. द पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स, सपोज ए एंड बी, दिस बिटवीन जो पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल. एंड हाउ विल राइट that now names writing after upper that we have to write that upper that like an arc. ठीक है? If the arc is smaller than the half of the circle, it is called as a minor arc. That means arc are two types, one minor arc, another one is major arc. ठीक है? हमें what is that minor arc, what is that major arc, we can understand easily. So look at here students, I will draw that one circle and I will explain to you what is the minor arc and what is the major arc. ठीक है? So look love you, suppose this is one circle. ठीक है? This is one of the circle. Now look at here students, हमें क्या करेंगे, हमें माइनर आर्क क्या है ना, सपोज दिस इज द मिडिल पार्ट मतलब हाफ. यस, सर्कल को मैं हाफ कर दिया, जो डायमीटर में ड्रॉ कर दिया वो हाफ हो गया. जब क्या बोल रहे हैं, सर्कल से हाफ से कम में, मतलब इधर से ये टू पॉइंट्स, मतलब इधर से इधर एक फ्रिजेंट, मतलब हाफ से कम पार्ट हमें लेंगे ना, इसको बोलते हैं माइनर, एंड रिमेन पार्ट को बोलते हैं हमें मेजर. मतलब ये जो हाफ से ज्यादा है तो मेजर, हाफ से कम ही है तो वो आर्क को क्या बोलते हैं, माइनर आर्क. यू अंडरस्टैंड? If the arc is smaller than the half of the half of the circle से from here to here half, here से कम ही होगा तो if it will reduce, if it is smaller than the half of the circle, then that arc is called as a minor arc. If the arc is greater than the half of the circle, जब आर्क क्या होगा, ये इट इज हाफ, इससे ज्यादा होगा, फिर इधर से तक आएगा, मतलब ईयर से ईयर तक, ये नहीं, ये छोड़ दीजिए, तुम्हें आइडिया करना है इधर से इधर तक, मतलब हाफ से ज्यादा, ये हाफ हो रहे, इधर से ज्यादा आए तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें क्या है, मेजर आर्क. मतलब हाफ सर्कल से ज्यादा आर्क हो जाएगा ना, उसको बोलते हैं मेजर आर्क. हाफ सर्कल से कम आर्क हो गया ना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे, माइनर आर्क. ठीक है? इफ द आर्क इज ग्रेटर देन द हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल, इट इज कॉल्ड अ मेजर आर्क. नेक्स्ट, सेगमेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज दैट सेगमेंट? you observe that here I have drawn that what is that major arc, what is that minor arc. you observe here, ये ब्लैक कलर में दिखा रहे, ये बोलते हैं a से b को बोलते हैं क्या है, माइनर आर्क, क्योंकि हाफ से छोटा है. उनको आइडिया हो रही है, ये हाफ से छोटा है, जो हाफ टोटल सर्कल है उससे हाफ करेगा ना, उससे छोटा है, और उससे हाफ सर्कल से रेड लाइन जो है बड़ा है, तो ये इसको बोलते हैं हमें मेजर आर्क. मेजर आर्क इसको बोलते हैं हमें माइनर आर्क. ठीक है? नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज द सेगमेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल. सेगमेंट क्या हो? नाउ लिसन केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेनेवर यू विल ड्रॉ वन कर्व, okay, to a circle or on a circle, then it will divide into two parts. याद है क्या? एक सर्कल को हमें कौन से दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करके तो उसको कॉर्ड बोलते हैं. यस, जो चोट और कॉर्ड बोलते हैं. सपोज आई विल ड्रॉ हियर वन सर्कल, दिस इज ओके, chord I will draw here. Okay, so this is called as a chord. Yes, chord. And this chord is divided the circle into two parts. This is one part, this is one part, and this plane is one part. Yes, this chord divided the circle into two parts. One is These two parts are called as क्या है segments. The small part is called as minor segments, and this part is called as major segment. समझे क्या? एक सर्कल को ये जो चौड़ डिवाइड करते दो पार्ट्स करते उसको बोलते हैं हमें क्या है सेगमेंट्स. मतलब आर्क मेजर आर्क विथ द chord is major segment. Minor arc with the chord is called as a minor segment. Did you understand, friends? So the region contains the total region, not only this is arc, but the region is called as a segment. ठीक है, मतलब the smaller arc with the chord or the chord is called minor segment. Major arc with the chord, that is called as a major segments. So see that, friends, the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc. मतलब ये जो region enclosed by, ठीक है, मैं ऐसा कर देता हूँ. ये जो डॉटेड लाइन दिया उसको मेजर सेगमेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, और ये जो प्लेन पे हुआ वो लाइन ये प्लेस को क्या रीजन को क्या बोलेंगे हमें माइनर सेगमेंट. ठीक है, the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by one arc and the corresponding chord. One arc, suppose this side you can see this is one arc and this is one chord. This is one arc, this is the chord. So two parts. So this is two segments. One is major segments, जो मेजर आर्क के साथ रहता है उसको मेजर सेगमेंट बोलते हैं. जो माइनस आर्क के साथ रहता है उसको बोलते हैं हमें माइनर सेगमेंट. The chord AB of a circle divide into two parts. ये AB जो chord है ये two parts में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. एक है the larger part, ये जो larger part हो रहे उसको बोलते हैं larger major segment. The smaller part is called as a minor segments. Did you understand, students? I hope you have understand about that. What is that? Especially arc of the circle, segment, and about that what is that smaller, that means major segment and a minor segment. Yes. So we will discuss in the other part of the things of about that basic geometry concepts in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.